Hello there, my name is Alex and I am with IMG Trucking Inc. Today we're gonna show you how you're supposed to work with the application on a daily basis and what are the best tips so you could work in a good term. Okay, so the very first line when you open the Samsara app will be the fleet ID. The fleet ID it's IMG. Then we'll ask you for username. So I create one only for the orientation. And I'll put the username. Just a second. And then we'll ask you for the password. Sign in. Once it opens the application, it will ask you if you want to certify the logbooks for previous days if they haven't been certified. So you could do it at once for the previous days. Then will be the page of where you can select your vehicle and add your trailer and the shipping ID. So sometimes you're gonna see a lot of shipping IDs here. Make sure that you click X on each one that is not the current one. The same thing with the trailer, but most likely you're gonna have the same trailer every day. Let's see, I'm not gonna select any vehicle right now, but actually I need to. 1 second. Let me see, I'm gonna select, for example, 042 and now confirm the vehicle and then press done. So here you're gonna have this review settlement. Okay, not now. Okay, this will be your home page. On the very top it will be your name, then it's gonna be your sign out button. Once you click on that, it will sign you out and put you off duty. Here you're gonna receive messages from me, and also you could text us as well. And this is the settings button. However, on the very top you're gonna see this status of duty. Here you can change your duties to sleeper berth, on duty, driving, person, and ADR move. The company allows the personal convenience only 35 miles up to 1 hour. This is recommended by DOT as well. And will put you off duty while you're driving. The yard move, it will put you on duty while you're driving, and most likely is for when you're changing dogs or you're changing a parking space at the yard. Once you click on these two, you just have to put a remark if it's convenient for you, like to put the fuel, pre-trip inspection, brake, and press save. Before you start driving, you have to click on the DVR. This is where you're doing your pre-trip inspection. When you click on that one, you create DVR. To be legal, it must be 10-15 minutes on duty. So we click on duty. We have already the vehicle number. This is the VIN. And here, 1 second, let me see. Just something. Okay, here, create DVR. Okay. And here you have to press that is a pre-trip inspection. These photos are optional, so there is 7 photos if you're doing it with the trailer and only 4 if you're doing only the bobtail. After you press the pre-trip inspection, if you find any defects on the truck or trailer, you could add them here, add defect. And only by clicking a check mark, you could choose whatever was with defect, let's say just tires, and you have the option to take a picture of the tire. Once you do that and upload it, it will automatically go to the company, and Zag and the safety can see that you have issue with the equipment. After this is done, there is 2 options. One is safe for drive and the other one unsafe for drive. If you click that one, press next and certify and submit that, you're not allowed to drive the truck anymore unless you got the road service, and after the road service fixed the issue you had, you could click on save for drive, next, certify and submit, and go on the road. And this is your pre-trip inspection. The tricky part is whenever you do the pre-trip inspection in the beginning of the day and later on duty pulls you over, you're gonna have to create new DVR if you had any violations given to you after the duty inspection. Let's say that they gave you a violation for a cracked windshield and out of service for a tire. Then you have to create new DVR after the inspection and list these two items that they were defected. And click that you are unsafe for drive. And whenever the road service fix you, you have to create that you're safe for drive. If you have only violation, we have 14 days to fix it, but every day you have to mention it on your DVIR. It is important because if you got pulled over after this duty inspection and you haven't listed the issues and they're still present, then we'll get a double violation and they could take double points from your driver license. Okay, once this is done, we could go to HOS. On the very top, you could switch your status to off duty, for example, and add a remark that it was a break. And save it. Just go off duty. The very first cycle is for 8 hours, 30 minutes break. Every 8 hours driving, you have to have 30 minutes break, but not less. If it's 29 minutes and 50 seconds, that will get you in violation because it was not completed 30 minutes. The 30 minutes could be off duty, sleeper bird, or on duty. After that, we have 11 hours for driving, 14 hours for the day shift, and 70 hours, including the driving and the on-duty hours for 8 days. Right under it, you're gonna see available hours tomorrow. This is your recap hours. When you go a little bit further down, you're gonna see log, which is gonna open the day today. And you'll see your grid for the day. So here you could also enter your trailer number, and here you could type your bill of lading number if you haven't done it in the beginning. Before you certify your logbook and submit it at the end of the day, you could make a change on your logbook if you notice that something is quite not right. You could click on edit, then press off duty, and you must put a remark, whatever remark you want to put. I'll put that it was a break, and save it. And see how your grid right now does not have the on duty. But once you certify and submit your logbook, you're not allowed to make any more changes on your logbook, even to add or take off the bill of lading or trailer number. All days must be certified. Only the day today could stay not certified. If duty pulls you over, you gotta go to HOS, scroll down, go to roadside, transfer logs. Normally they want the wireless web service. Click on that one and duty will give you a code. This code you must type it here and click transfer. It will go directly to the officer. Once a week, it's very important, please, once a week, sign out from the system, because this is the way how the system updates itself. Otherwise, it will get you in trouble. Thank you very much. I hope that it was helpful. My name is Alex. If you have any further questions, please let me know.